Please write down this. If you have finished, I will go to the next one. लेक्चर चालू माझा फोन करते तुला एक अर्धा तास. चालेल. Okay, friends, have you finished this? Shall we go to the next example? Okay.
Yes.
Yes? Somebody was talking, please repeat. Thank you, Prajakta. We'll go to the next one. Okay, write down this example, new example, write down. A 30 centimeter diameter sieve having an inward slope of 1 in 150 was flowing full. Second condition we have taken here in this example, when it is running full, what would be the velocity of flow and discharge, where n is equal to 0.013 when it is running full. Second condition is taken. I think you will solve this example and give me an answer. Hello, anybody have calculated discharge and velocity? If it is, please write it in your chat box. So I will check. Yes, someone has calculated. Tejasri Lenve calculated V. Calculate D also. There's one more. No, only Tejasri Lenve calculated small v. Sorry, V. Tejasri, please calculate D also. Q also. Your first answer is correct. Others also, please write your answer in a chat box. I know that it is very simple and still I have to. Snehal, your answer is wrong. Check where you are wrong. Tejasri, your both answers are correct. Tejasri Lenve, your both answers are correct. Snehal, your answer for V is wrong. Please calculate it once again. Others, please drop your answers. Then only I will go to convert attendance. Why you are not writing answers? Because it is difficult or because it is too easy and you are feeling that is foolish? What is the condition? Let me know. Until you are not solving, I will not go for the next question. Snehal, both answers are wrong. What you are taking, let me know. Small r is equal to d by 4. Equation for small r is the d by 4. What is the diameter? Diameter is 30 centimeter. Everything is in a meter per second. So you have to convert that d into meter. So it becomes 0.3. Okay, that r upon r is nothing but d by 4. Okay, and here s is already given to you 1 in 150. So easy to calculate it. Yeah, small n is given to you 0.013. You might have done mistake while taking diameter d. That directly you might have taken 30 centimeter. You convert it into small d. Sorry, meter. It becomes a 0.3 meter. Okay. So 0.3 divided by 4 raised to 2 by 3 and into 1 upon 50 raised to 1 by 2. Okay, others, please write your answers. Boys, you don't want to enjoy, or you are not enjoying, that's why you are not showing me answers. How come I will get know this class is live class until you don't reply? I like that Snehal has calculated wrongly, but still she has written. Is it? That class should be participative class. Otherwise, I can take it very fast without understanding whether you are understanding or not understanding, without that assumption. कैसे बच्चे हो आप लोग? कितने देर से मैं बोल रही हूँ कि आप लोग सॉल्व नहीं कर रहे, एग्जाम्पल आंसर नहीं दे रहे हो, फिर एक भी नहीं आंसर दे कर रहे. कैसे बच्चे हो आप लोग? 40 students are present and only 2 students had given the answer. So shall I announce the names and ask and mark absentee if not getting answer? Do you want me to become a rude? If you don't, please keep on writing answers. Some of students at least should write. Oh, great. Nobody is writing. Okay, we'll move forward. I don't think that you are enjoying the class. So V is calculated and it is 1.1167 meter per second. And another who has written, Prajakta has written, okay, she is also right. And another answer for the discharge. Discharge is equal to V into A. V we have calculated 1.1167 into A is the pi by 4 D square. D is the 0.3 in a meter. Is it 0.3 meter square? Okay. Then Q you will get 0.0789 meter cube per second. Meter cube per second. Are you getting? The unit for the V is the meter per second and unit for the diameter D is equal to meter. So meter square, it becomes a meter cube per second. Okay, Q is the meter 0.0789 meter cube per second. Those who have not solved, please write these answers. Then we'll go for another example. And I'm not feeling good that you people are not answering. जब फिजिकल क्लास रहता तो ऐसे करते क्या आप लोग? नहीं करते ना? Shall I go to the next point? Next example. Okay, write down next example. Calculate the velocity of flow. Third condition we will see in this example. What is the third condition? That is when it is running partially full, neither full, neither half full. It will be a different depth. It will be at the different depth. Calculate the velocity of flow and discharge in a sewer of circular section having diameter 1.2 meter, laid at a gradient of 1 in 400. Use Manning's formula. N is equal to 0.012. Assume that sewer is running at 0.6 depth. What is the depth? 0.6 depth. So what is asked to determine? Determine the velocity, that small v, and then discharge small q. Then what is given to you? For a circular section having diameter 1.2 meter. Diameter capital D is given to you 1.2 meter, laid at gradient of 1 in 400. Small s is given to you 1 upon 400. Okay, then n for the Manning's constant is given to you 0.012 and it is running at the depth 0.6. Is it? So small d upon capital D is equal to 0.6. That data is given to you. Okay, copy this. Then we'll move to the solve. Now what you will have to solve here, theta is coming into picture. So first of all you should calculate theta. Once you calculate theta, you can find out cos theta as well as sin theta. Once you know the values of sin theta and cos theta, everything is possible to solve. Okay, now if you have copied this, we'll go to the next point, how to solve that. So first equation you should write down. V is equal to 1 upon n into r raised to 2 by 3 into s raised to half. R here you should use small. All small factors you should use here because we are studying the solving the example for the condition when it is running partially full. So small v is equal to 1 upon small v is equal to 1 upon small n into r, small r raised to 2 by 3 into small s raised to 1 by 2. Okay, now at this condition, what you have to calculate first? Small r. Small r. For calculating small r, what is the formula? You know the formula for calculating the small r as well as small a. Okay, shall we go to the next? See here. So first of all, what you have we should calculate. I told you to find out the theta. For finding out theta, you know the equation. Small d upon capital D is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 minus cos theta upon 2. This equation we have solved at the very start. Is it? किंवा तिथं वेगळ्या पद्धतीत लिहिलेलं होतं. Small d is equal to capital D by 2 into 1 minus cos theta by 2 असं लिहिलेलं होतं. तर तेच इक्वेशन इथं कसं लिहिलेलं आहे? D upon D is equal to 1 upon 2 into bracket 1 minus cos theta by 2. Why it is written D by D? Because we know the value of D by D. What is the value of D by D? It is 0.6. In example itself it is given 0.6 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 minus cos theta upon 2. Or this equation we can rewrite in the form of 1 minus cos theta by 2 is equal to 0.6 into 2, that is, it becomes 1.2. Or we can write this equation cos theta by 2 is equal to 1 minus 1.2 and cos theta by 2 is equal to minus 0.2. From that you can determine theta. Value of theta you will get when you will solve it on calculator. You will get the value of theta as 203.07. If you know the theta, you can calculate the sine theta. What is the sine theta is equal to minus 0.3919. Okay, you solve this. Instead of copying as it is, you solve it. Then we'll go to the next point. Once you calculate theta and sine theta, then it is easier to go with the next, because all other are the known formulas. Only this tip you should do perform carefully. And one mistake what you one student did in the earlier, that you should take whether all the units are same or you need to convert it. Okay, otherwise your answers will be wrong. If you are done, let me know. Have you done this? Okay, thank you, Prajakta. We'll go to the next now. So here, what we have done, we have calculated only theta and sine theta. Why it is calculated? Because it is required to find out small r. Is it? Now for running full condition, what will be the situation that we have to calculate it first? So when it is running full, you assume that it is running full, and at that condition, A is equal to pi by 4 d square. D is given to you 1.2 meter. So here you need not go to convert it into anywhere else. because it is already given to you in a meter. So A is equal to pi by 4 d square, pi by 4 into bracket 1.2 raised square. And then you will get 1.1304 meter square as the area, is it, when it is running full. Now perimeter pi d, pi is 3.14 into d is the 1.2. So perimeter also you can calculate as 3.768 meter. Okay, now capital R is the hydraulic mean depth is equal to d by 4 is equal to 1.2 upon 4. 1.2 is the diameter of sewer given to you. So the answer for hydraulic mean depth is equal to 0.3 meter when it is running full. आता हे तुम्हाला काढलं, कॅल्क्युलेट केलं. आता तुम्हाला काय काढायचंय की स्मॉल आर काढायचंय. So this you can calculate and keep it aside. 15 minutes are remained there. I think we should be able to finish this example at least. Then I may give you one example to solve and come into the next lecture. Okay, may I go to the next point? Next. Okay, now when it is running partially full, another condition. Small a upon capital A, we know the equation for small a upon capital A, theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 pi. Okay, theta we have calculated and it is 203.07 upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 pi. Sin theta, value of sin theta is minus 0.3919. So that equation converts into plus. The plus 0.3919 upon 2 into pi. Is it? This minus has been converted into plus. Okay, here is the minus. Okay, but the value of theta is minus 0.3919. So this minus, it becomes a plus. So plus 0.3919 upon 2 into 3.14. So the answer, if you will calculate this, then you will get the answer A by A is equal to 0.6265. Okay. Okay, now from that earlier equation, A by A is equal to 0.6265. From that you can calculate small a, 0.6265 into capital A. Capital A we have already calculated. आता इथं जे मी इक्वेशन वापरलेलं आहे A upon A is equal to theta upon 360 minus sin theta upon 2 pi theta. ओके, त्याच्याऐवजी कोणीतरी डायरेक्ट स्मॉल ए पण इक्वेशन वापरू शकलं असतं. स्मॉल ए चे इक्वेशन काय डिराइव्ह केलेलं आहे आपण ऑलरेडी. ते इक्वेशन असं आहे की पाय डी स्क्वेअर इंटू पाय डी स्क्वेअर बाय 4 इंटू थिटा अपॉन 360 मायनस साइन थिटा अपॉन 2 पाय. बरोबर आहे. हे पण इक्वेशन कुणीतरी वापरून डायरेक्ट पण सॉल्व्ह करू शकलं असतं किंवा असं ए अपॉन ए या पद्धतीने पण सॉल्व्ह करू शकतो. सो बोथ वे आर करेक्ट. ओके, स्मॉल ए इज इक्वल टू 0.6265 इंटू कॅपिटल ए value of capital A we have derived in earlier slide, that is 1.1304. So from that, I have not written the answer calculation. You please write down that answer. Small a answer 6.492 into 1.1. किती आलं सांगा मला. I don't have calculator. किती आलं? 7.338. Pritish Avale. Good. Thank you, Pritish. Prajakta. 7.338. Okay. Now R upon R. R upon R is also one of the formula. You know that formula. इथं पण तुम्ही डायरेक्ट आर चा फॉर्म्युला, स्मॉल आर चा फॉर्म्युला घेऊ शकता. त्या केसमध्ये तुम्हाला जे वरती सेपरेट कॅपिटल ए कॅपिटल आर काढलाय तो काढायची गरज नाही जर तुम्ही डायरेक्ट फॉर्म्युला वापरणार असाल तर. जर डायरेक्ट वापरणार नसताल ए बाय ए चा फॉर्म्युला आर बाय आर चा वापरणार असला तर हे त्यासाठी तुम्हाला ते फॉर्म्युलाच लक्षात राहणं गरजेचंच आहे. सो यू शुड बी एबल टू सॉल्व दॅट डेरिवेशन. So small r upon capital R is equal to formula is 1 minus 360 sin theta upon 2 pi theta. So theta, value of sin theta is minus 0.39. काय आली होती आपली? What is the value of sin theta? Minus 0.3919. Is it sin theta? 360 into minus 0.3919 upon 2 pi theta. Value of theta is 270, I think. Theta we have calculated 203.07. Okay, so this value you can put it into 360 sin theta upon 2 pi theta, and then you can calculate r upon r. You will get the answer 1.1106. Okay, now small r, from that 1.1106 into capital R. Capital R is the 0.3. That also we have calculated here as d by 4 is equal to d is the 1.2 meter given in an example divided by 4. So answer is 0.3 meter. Okay. So this way you will get the answer small a upon capital A as, sorry, small r upon capital R is 1.1106 and small r is equal to 0.03. Now if once you know the small r, you can put all the values in an equation of V. V is equal to 1 upon n into r raised to 2 by 3 into s raised to half. In that equation you can put these values. Okay, so I will show you. God, one slide is missing, I think, here. Okay, good. You are getting chance to solve it again. Small v is equal to 1 upon n into r raised to 2 by 3 into s raised to half. इथे सोडवा आता तुम्ही पुढं. Okay, we are running again time out. I have to take attendance also. Now 42 students are there. So let me check. When I have announced I am going to take an attendance, how many will be here. Okay. Here you can calculate small v is equal to 1 upon small n into r raised to 2 by 3 into s raised to half. Okay, so value of n is given to you 0. I think 0. किती दिलेली value? Check in your example, please. 0.012 is given to you. 0.012 is given to you as value of n. Then r we have calculated directly. You can take it here 0.03 raised to 2 by 3 into s. Value of s is given to you in the example, and it is, I think, 1 upon 400. Sorry, am I right? If I am wrong, please correct me. Raised to 1 by 2. So simply you need to calculate it. What is the value of 179? कशाची काढली व्हॅल्यू तुम्ही? v आला का तुमचा 179? v इतका येत नसतो. Snehal Chormule calculated it 0.40. Prajakta, you have taken it, calculated it 179.90. इतका नाही येणार. Snehal may be right, or I don't know. You please calculate, and we'll see in the next. This answer we will check into the next. Somebody else, Deshmukh Priyadarshini has calculated it 0.4. Snehal Chormule again calculated 0.25. Prajakta Kale 0.4. I will also calculate and will tell you in the next lecture. Time being, you keep on chatting. I will take the attendance here. Okay, because we are about to end the class, today's class, and I will have to dictate one more example to you to solve in the for the next exam. Okay, shall I write here attendance?
Ma'am.
Yes, please.
Ma'am, in previous case, given depth is 0.6. मॅम प्रिव्हियस केस मध्ये गिवन डेप्थ इज 0.6 म्हणजे मग ती डायमीटरच्या आहे ना, मग प्रॅक्टिकल
हॅलो
पाहिजे.
आय एम नॉट एबल टू लिसन. मागच्या केस मध्ये 0.6 काय म्हणताय तुम्ही?
गिवन डेप्थ 0.6 दिली आहे ना,
ह्या एक्झाम्पल मध्येच दिली आहे ना.
हा,
एक्झाम्पल मध्ये म्हणजे 6 डेप्थ दिली आहे. हो, कोण म्हणताय सांगा.
मग तेजश्री लेंडवे.
तेजश्री, हा.
ती डायमीटरच्या हाफ आहे.
डायमीटरच्या ऑलमोस्ट हाफ आहे, पूर्ण हाफ आहे. डेप्थ आहे. हा, असं म्हणता येत नाही की ती डायमीटर मध्ये. हा,
डायमीटर 1.2 आहे ना, मग डेप्थ 0.6, मग थिटा म्हणजे प्रॅक्टिकली 180 डिग्री यायला पाहिजे.
चुकीचं होतंय. डेप्थ रेशो डी बाय डी इज इक्वल टू 0.6 दिलेला आहे. मग तुम्ही जर कॅपिटल डी तुमचा तिथं 1.2 घेतला तर स्मॉल डी काय होतोय तुमचा 1.2 इंटू 0.6. बरोबर आहे का? हा, व्हॉट इज दॅट व्हॅल्यू? 2.4. Is it? Am I right? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Then it is not that way connection. So I will calculate and I will show you. Don't worry.
Okay.
Time being, you try it on this level. Now also I would have calculated, but our Zoom meet may get over, and your further lectures will also get overlapped. So and I have to take the attendance. Okay. Good, but I'm feeling nice. You people are talking. At least you are talking. Others are not talking. Okay, I will keep on writing. You keep on listening what numbers I'm noting down. Roll number 55, 44, 40, 45, 48, 49, 63, 36, 6, 14, 32, 56, 65, 68, 9, 31, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, 7, 8, 10, 13, 17, 18, 20, 21, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29, 34, 35, 37, 38, 51, 52, 53, 57, 58, 64, Okay, I would like to talk that 51 Ganesh Bagal. You start involving. Then Mahesh Thorbole, Priti Shaiva, someone sometimes given answer. Satyam Shinde, Kedar Sikchi, Sushil Khade. Keep on contributing that. I think only these many are the boys. All other are the girls. Only 4 boys present. 4 or 5. Hmm? Okay, does anybody's number is missing, which I have not taken into consideration? Is there anybody? Whatever I have counted, is there anybody's number is missing? If not, please note down the next example. Or if it is the case, you keep on writing me. Okay, write down example. Calculate the velocity of flow and corresponding discharge. A similar type of example is taken here. Corresponding discharge in a sewer of circular section having diameter equal to 1 meter, laid at a gradient of 1 in 500. The discharge runs at 0.6 depth. Again here it is given 0.6 depth. Use Manning's formula, n is equal to 0.012. I think very similar example is this. And if you wish, these are the examples which are being asked for the university examination. Please write down. 1.3 minutes are remain. Please write down this example. Only example you write down. Don't copy the next part. What I was telling, this example, this type of examples are being asked in the exam, university examination. And if you wish that I should conduct some more type of examples or which may ask for the competitive, or better way I will share with you. Those who wish, they can study. Such type of examples I will better share with you people. Less than 1 minute is remain. Please copy all this. And then we will stop here. Okay, bye. Have a nice day ahead. Enjoy your remaining lectures. And thank you for not participating, those who have not participated. And thank you very much for them who have participated. Okay, you may be feeling that I'm making you bored, but you don't know how much I'm getting bored to teach you in this way. But still I'm teaching. Then why don't you people are learning? बघा करून घरात कोणीतरी छोटं असलं ना त्याला असं शिकवा. ट्राय करून बघा. 1